Eating a healthy snacks has become one of the priority I have in my home. Hello guys, welcome to another interesting snacks recipe. This recipe can also be used by commercial people who want to start a small scale business. So please pay attention to the video while you give me your listening ear. After mixing all the dry ingredients, it's now time to go in with liquid ingredients. I will list all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box, so please do not forget to visit it. So after mixing, make sure you get a very palatable dough just like this. Cover it to ferment for 45 minutes. If you are using this recipe for commercial purposes, allow it to ferment to up to 1 hour or more than 1 hour. It will give it a more rise and you will get a lot of quantity from it when cutting. So after 45 minutes, I'm going to sprinkle some flour on the work surface. Then I will use my 2 fingers to spread the dough. Then I will go in with the rolling pin to roll it as flat as possible. If you are using it for a commercial purposes also, roll it as flat as possible. With that, you get a lot of quantity that will earn you a lot of money. After rolling out the dough as flat as I want, I will trim off the 2 sides to get exactly a rectangle shape. With that, I will be able to get the size and the shape of the dough that I want. If you're using it for commercial purposes also, this is where you're going to know the exact profit you are going to make on each product. As you're enjoying the recipe, do not forget to subscribe if you have not done so, like and share this video and save it for future purposes. So after cutting them, this is the sizes and the shapes I want. Now it's time to transfer them into a hot moderate oil. Do not allow the oil to be too hot, else it will burn while the inside will not cook, and secondly, it won't help it to rise very well. So use a very moderate hot oil. Okay, fry and flip on both sides until it turns golden brown, just like so. Then take them out from heat. The 3 secrets about this recipe is the processing time, fermentation time, and the frying time. These 3 key procedures, if you miss it, you're not going to get a very smart result. So pay more attention on when you are mixing it, when you are fermenting it, and when you are frying it. Using only 2 cups of flour to get this quantity. Now imagine when you start this as a business, the kind of profit you want. Repeat the same process to the remaining dough, and finally this is what you have. Yummy and delicious. Can you tell me thank you in the comment section so that my heart will be gladdening me? Okay, thank you all for watching. I will see you again in my next video.